Here's how to save TikTok drafts to Camera Roll. Go ahead and launch your TikTok application on your mobile device, log into your account, and then tap on your profile section from the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you'll get the draft section in the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and open it. Then select the draft that you want to save to your camera roll. Now tap on the next option and then tap on more options. Scroll down and enable the option of save to device. Then after, adjust your audience to only me if you do not want this to be seen by anybody who follows you on TikTok or you are friends with on TikTok. Then tap on post to post it privately on your profile. Wait for a few seconds for the post to be uploaded on your profile and it will be automatically saved on your gallery. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.